Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get points on the SHEIN app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open the SHEIN app. So let's just do that. It opens up in the shop menu, but we have to go into the me menu. Let's tap on that. And here is in the top right corner, there's a little box with a check mark in it. We have to tap on that. And this is a calendar. And for every two consecutive days that you check in the SHEIN app, you get some prizes, get some points. For example, today I got 1 point, and if I check in tomorrow, I get another 3 points, and if I do it again, then another 3 points, and it accumulates over time. And since 1 point equals 1 cent, and in the app there are a lot of cheap things, this is actually a great deal. So that's it. That's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.